Turrón. Turrón is a sweet confection that is made with almonds, honey, and sugar. The mixture is typically pressed into a block and then sliced into small pieces. Turrón is a popular treat during the Christmas season. Spanish cuisine is a fusion of flavors from different regions of Spain, with influences from Roman, Moorish, and Jewish cultures. Spanish cuisine is based on using fresh, high-quality ingredients and simple cooking techniques that bring out the natural flavors of the ingredients. Here are some more popular dishes in Spanish cuisine. Fabada Asturiana. Fabada Asturiana is a hearty stew that originated in the region of Asturias in northern Spain. It is made with white beans, chorizo, black pudding, and other meats, such as ham hock or pork shoulder. The dish is typically flavored with paprika, garlic, and bay leaves. Patatas bravas. Patatas bravas are a popular tapa, small plate, that consists of fried potatoes that are typically served with a spicy tomato sauce. The dish is simple yet flavorful and is often served as an appetizer or snack. Gambas al ajillo. Gambas al ajillo is a tapa that consists of shrimp that are sautéed in olive oil with garlic and chili flakes. The dish is typically served with crusty bread and is a popular appetizer in Spain. Escalivada. Escalivada is a dish that originated in the region of Catalonia in northeastern Spain. It consists of grilled vegetables, such as peppers, eggplant, and onions, that are typically dressed with olive oil and vinegar. Cochinillo asado. Cochinillo asado is a roast suckling pig that is a traditional dish in the region of Castilla y León. The pig is typically roasted in a wood-fired oven and is a popular dish during special occasions and festivals. Spanish cuisine also features a variety of breads, cheeses, and cured meats, such as chorizo and jamón ibérico, which are often served as tapas or appetizers. Spanish cuisine is also known for its sweet and flavorful desserts, which often feature ingredients such as almonds, honey, and cinnamon. Some of the most popular Spanish desserts include crema catalana. Crema catalana is a traditional Catalan dessert that is similar to crème brûlée. The dessert is made from a custard that is flavored with lemon zest and cinnamon and is typically topped with caramelized sugar. Tocino de cello. Tocino de cello is a sweet dessert that is similar to flan. It is made from egg yolks, sugar, and water and is typically served with a syrup made from honey or caramel. Torrijas. Torrijas are a type of bread pudding that is made from stale bread that is soaked in milk, sugar, and eggs and then fried until crispy. The dish is typically flavored with cinnamon and is a popular dessert during the Easter season. Leche frita. Leche frita is a sweet dessert that is made from a thick custard that is flavored with lemon zest and cinnamon and then fried until crispy. The dessert is typically served with honey or caramel syrup. In addition to these dishes, Spanish cuisine also features a variety of beverages, including red and white wines, sangria, and sherry. Spanish wine is often served with meals and is a staple in Spanish cuisine.